Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS social media icon water effect. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS social media icon water effect. Let's open your browser, open the new tab and we want to search Sathursan 5 CDN link. This is the link for Sathursan CDN. Copy this link, close the tab and paste it. Inside the body we want a div and class name is Twitter. Inside this we want an icon and this icon for Twitter. Let's copy this div and paste it 2 times and we want to change this WhatsApp and this is WhatsApp icon. Next we want to change this Instagram and this icon will be Instagram icon. Save the file, refresh, the icons are visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh, the margin is okay now. Let's start to style our body. Display flex, justify content space around, align item center, height 100 ph, width 100% and background color hash 262626 ff. Save the file, refresh, the background color is okay now. Let's start to style our div. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, position relative and height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel and border radius 50%, font size 50 pixel and box shadow 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color was black. Next we want a background color that was RGBA 255. Copy this and paste it 2 times and we want to change this 0.1 and cursor is pointer, overflow will be hidden. Save the file, refresh, the icons layout is okay now. We want to create div after. Inside this content, display block, position absolute, height 110 pixel, width 110 pixel and border radius 35%, top 90%, z index -1. Next we want to create class Twitter after. Inside this background color doja blue and box shadow will be 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color was doja blue. Copy this line and paste it 1 time. Let's copy this and paste it 2 times and we want to change this WhatsApp. Select these colors and change it lime green and this is Instagram and these colors are orange. Save the file, refresh, the icons are looking good. Next we want to create div over after. Inside this we wanted the animation anim 2 second linear forwards and start to create our animation. Anim inside this 100% top 0 and transform rotate 360 degree. Save the file, refresh. The water effect is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.